Hello everyone, welcome back. I did not make any video for a while, but I will try to catch up and will try to make more videos in a short time. And today's lesson is not about reading or writing. It is just some simple phrases how to speak or how to talk to someone. A few people actually requested me to explain these kind of lines for conversation, and I hope you will like it. I have written down these lines. There are a few more, and I will try to make the lessons medium length, not very long, not very short, maybe 4, 5 to 7 minutes, because some people they become bored and hard to or difficult to learn so much in one lesson. So we start from here, and as I said, I hope you will like these kind of lessons, and I will wait for your feedback. The first line, or it's a question marks. If you want to ask your mother, how are you? This is a how are you, mom? And in Punjabi, I have written down, but you can listen to me what I'm saying in Punjabi, and then you can read this so that you can understand easy. That's why I try to write down Punjabi in Roman or English language. So it says, how are you, mom? And in Punjabi, we will say, Mata ji, tusi kime ho. Mata ji, tusi kime ho. One thing I want to say, ji doesn't mean anything in English because we hardly use any word to respect elders or some high-ranking people. But in Hindi and Punjabi, Urdu, these are mostly these Asians language, or say Indian language, we use this word ji, that means just respect. So here it says mata means mother, but ji means we have respect for you. So once again, how are you, mom? Mata ji tusi keme ho. Second one is, how is everything? We say sab kuch keme hai. Sab kuch keme hai. Is everything okay? You can see even in English, more or less, the meaning is same. How is everything, or is everything okay? But this one is sab kuch keme hai. This one is everything okay. So we say ki sab kuch theek hai. Ki sab kuch theek hai. How is your health? So in Punjabi, we will say ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਸਿਹਤ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਹੈ? ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਸਿਹਤ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਹੈ? Some people they pronounce sehat, but some people just simple. You really have to listen to me carefully. The difference, instead of sehat, they say set. So you can say ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਸਿਹਤ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਹੈ or ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਸਿਹਤ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਹੈ. The meaning is same. People will understand. Even English pronunciation, you know that we will hear different kind of pronunciations when we go from one area to another, or one country to another country. I will try to explain in simple as much as possible. And I'm going to write down the next lines now. I hope you're enjoying the lesson. Next line is, have you eaten? ਕੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਖਾ ਲਿਆ ਹੈ? ਕੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਖਾ ਲਿਆ ਹੈ? How is the weather there? ਉੱਥੇ ਮੌਸਮ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਹੈ? ਉੱਥੇ ਮੌਸਮ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਹੈ? Don't worry, everything will be fine. ਫਿਕਰ ਨਾ ਕਰੋ, ਸਭ ਕੁਝ ਠੀਕ ਹੋ ਜਾਵੇਗਾ. ਫਿਕਰ ਨਾ ਕਰੋ, ਸਭ ਕੁਝ ਠੀਕ ਹੋ ਜਾਵੇਗਾ. when you come here we will go to Gurdwara. Gurdwara is a Sikh holy place where they go worship, like a temple, so it is called Gurdwara. When you come here we will go to Gurdwara. ਜਦ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਓਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਗੁਰਦੁਆਰਾ ਜਾਵਾਂਗੇ. ਜਦ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਓਗੇ, ਜਦ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਓਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਗੁਰਦੁਆਰਾ ਜਾਵਾਂਗੇ.